Hi guys, really quick video as a support for 9.5 completing the square. This is number 5. The question was solve the equation by completing the square, and most people were confused like what do you do after you get the C? So first things first, the equation is here's my A, here's my B, and then this is kind of like the constant on the other end. So if you're looking at it, you need a number here for the C, right? Well, to get that C, the formula is b over 2 to the second power. Well, my b happens to be 13, so I'm going to do 13 divided by 2 to the second power. 13 divided by 2, I get 6.5. Square that, and then, so just get your calculator. 6.5 times 6.5, I get 42.25. All right, so what would I do with that number? That's the number that I'm going to use for my C. So let's just rewrite it again. G to the second power plus 13G plus 42.25. Remember, that's going to be a perfect square. Okay, since I added it on the left side of the equation, the 140, I also have to add a 42.25 to it. Okay, whatever I do on one side, I have to do to the other side. Solving this side, that will come out 182.25. So this still remains the same, but if I look at it now, this is going to be a perfect square, and then the C is going to be a perfect square. So I write it as, remember when we do our FOIL, it's G plus 6.5 and G plus 6.5. Well, I could write that as G plus 6.5 to the second power. Okay, to the second power, right? All right, I only want one of the G's because I'm looking for the two roots. So if this is square, that means I need to get rid of it by squaring it. Whatever I do on one side, I'm going to end up doing to the other side. So I can rewrite this, since I square this, G plus 6.5. And I do 182.25 on my calculator. Squaring that, I get 13.5. Just remember, since this is a square, it's a positive and a negative. 13.5. All right, so remember, this is your G, or whatever letter they assign, that's just your X. I want this by itself, so that's plus 6.5. I'm moving to the other side. Well, there's two values for that one. So solving for G, I have a positive 13.5, and since I move this to the other side, I'm going to subtract 6.5 from it. The other side would be a negative 13.5 minus 6.5. All right, so here are my two solutions. 13.5 minus 6.5, I'll get a 7, and then negative and a negative, this one will stay a negative. 13.5 plus 6.5, that's going to come out 20. So what are my two roots? I'm going to type in 7 and negative 20. Math Excel will say type in your answer, integer or fraction, whatever it is, and then separate with a comma, and that's it.